Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, me I do some thinking. Look, I get a voice note. I get 2 voice notes and a picture from one of my friends related to a girl that was supposedly or allegedly killed by her boyfriend or ex-boyfriend or baby father somewhere in the ballpark there sometime today. And me I say it's like the murder of women by somebody who they are connected to, whether past or present, in an intimate way. It's like it's a prescription pill, like it's a one-a-day thing. You understand? Every single day. You understand what I say? Every day, yo.
This is that the boy they just killed a girl there all this morning. Boy man I kill woman hard.
Some boy you beat. Let me tell you straight.
Tell if Shana go come back to you, you don't know that. You never give her a chance, Philip. Philip, you never give her a chance. You never give her a chance to do that, Philip. You kill her. You never give her a chance to come back to you. You take her life.
Nobody don't come back in the first place.
Philip, you can't say that because you don't know.
I tell you.
I know, Philip, I know Shana not go come back because you kill her now. I know she not go come back. I know she not go come back because you murder her. Oh, so you plan to kill yourself?
Yeah.
So why you go kill yourself? You're not going to jail, so you're not kill yourself. So how you expect Felicia to survive?
Felicia will survive. She's going from her mother, her grandmother.
Philip, God know if somebody did ever tell me say this year that ever do this, me kill them. Me not lie. Anyhow somebody did tell me say Philip, I go do this, me kill them. Cause me wouldn't believe it. Say you really that do something like this. Philip, you make me cry. You make me run this morning from Wolaba come a town this morning. You make me cry. Philip, to come see Shana body on the ground so like dog, Philip. Philip, I know you say Shana come from. I know you say Shana come from. Philip, which part you there? I know you're not going to know. Oh, Jesus. Philip.
So apparently, based on what me I get from the conversation between the alleged killer and the female, apparently she is a friend of him and the girl or the girl, something. You understand? I don't know the detail of the situation. But it has suggests to me say the girl leave the Umbre, the Philip Umbre. You understand what I say? And the man apparently can't deal with it. So since him can't get her back, him kill her. He want even sound like say them have a child together because the girl asked him to go to. I don't remember what the name was she called, but she said she will alright. Her grandmother will take care of her. So apparently there's a child involved in the situation. You understand? The mother say, yo, the girl never come back to him. And the idiot go kill himself. Go kill the girl. Why you never go kill yourself? He must suggest now say he must kill himself. Now that you shouldn't do, hombre. That is what you should have done in the first place and leave people, girl, Pitney alone. The girl have a child. Make the girl raise her child, man. If you want somebody to kill, then remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.